Last episode, your template cheered every player by name. Now you type your name back. Rohan with caps lock on and a stray space at each end you would never spot in a text box. And the game just stares back. No such player. Here's why. To Python, text is a row of characters and it compares them one by one exactly. That invisible space at the front, it counts. One stray space is enough and the whole match fails. Good news. Strings come with their own toolkit built right in. Dot strip wipes the blank ends. Dot lower calms the capitals. Same text, just clean. Now compare again, character by character. Every single one matches. Welcome back, Rohan. So before you compare text, clean it, strip it, lower it, then check. Messy in, tidy out. Now let's write it for real. Line 1, the messy username, spaces, capitals and all. Line 2, clean it, strip, then lower, chained in one move. And line 3, print the clean name. Run it, and there it is. Rohan, lowercase, with no spaces. Exactly the name the game was waiting for. Your turn. Type those 3 lines in any editor, save it as clean.py and run it. Then make the mess worse. More spaces, wilder capitals. Run it again. Out comes the same clean name. That's the toolkit working. Next episode, numbers. And turning text into numbers. See you there.